Welcome back to another crypto farm video where today we're going to be talking about a really cool project called the LoopTroop Lunatics. Now, this is something that you should keep your eyes out on because they're doing something very unique. So they are building on the Ethereum blockchain, but they do have future Loopring L2 capability. It's the first time I've seen something like this, so that's why I'm reviewing this project. Found it online and thought, why not bring it to my fellow amazing followers and shed the light on a new amazing project for today. So the LoopTroop Lunatics, 10,420 unique pieces of story-based art. We're going to be talking about everything today regarding the website, regarding the actual the Instagram page, all of the socials. You have the Discord as well, and the GameStop NFT marketplace that these guys are going to be part of in the future. It's going to be really cool, and essentially it's all part of the LoopTroop Lunatics project and vision. So this is their Instagram. I do recommend you give these guys a follow for sure, because they're cool and it's something that you can benefit from in the future, and I'm going to explain why just now. So give these guys a follow on the Twitter as well if you do enjoy this video and little review. And let's just move straight into the website at this point, where you can meet the Loop Troops, you can read the story, you can check the star map or the roadmap, and get to know the team as well. So these guys are actually launching 3 days and 10 hours from now. And here we can see a little bit about the actual backstory. So what are the LoopTroop Lunatics? Welcome. It's a collection of over 10,000 pieces of art. Why are they actually here? Well, they believe in the need for a free and decentralized financial market. They believe in humanity and the impact that a bunch of strangers on the internet can actually achieve. Global crypto liquidity, speed, transparency, diamond hands, apes. They believe in the moon. Well, so do we. We are the enemy of Wall Street. We are the enemy of hedge funds, is what they say. We are the enemy of the invisible enemy. Decentralization is an eventuality, and this is something that I completely agree with. You can't stop decentralization. You simply cannot stop a larger and larger and ever-growing amount of people wanting to be a part of the Web3 or the decentralized internet. So since everyone believes in the community, these guys are going to be giving back. So following completion of the first mission, 5% of profits will be donated to various children's hospitals and local charities on behalf of the members. They believe in generosity, and it doesn't come at the cost of somebody else. When you see a trooper in the metaverse later on, well, this is a shared philosophy. This is what everybody believes in, and essentially is the main goal of the project. You want these troopers to be everywhere. You want them to be a part of the metaverse in the future, which is what these guys are aiming for. Enroll into the army and join the fight today. You can join them on their Twitter, join them on their Discord. Really cool project. These guys are backed by a huge team, so the army is actually divided in a series of different ranks. Each one of these ranks has its own role, and they come with their own special abilities and rarities as well. So you have the private, right? You have the sergeant, you have the captain, you got the major, the colonel, the lieutenant general, the commander, and the old trooper as well, and an explanation about all of these guys and what they actually do for the project itself. Now, when it comes to the rewards, as you can see, each episode will feature a series of general and special draws that will follow the star map story. Essentially, these guys are going to be randomizing every single draw based on the episode requirements so that everyone shares the glory and the loot. The rewards from episode 1 range from rare lunatics to Ethereum and Loopring cryptocurrencies as well. When it comes to the rarity traits, on occasion, I just zoomed out. On occasion, the troops will need to perform special tasks. So these tasks may require strengths or abilities that is part of the DNA of every single lunatic out there. There are a few chosen ones where the probability of success is increased if your NFT has a rare trait, and this is all going to be explained in more detail in the future. Now, when it comes to the star map itself, obviously it is huge right here. You can see the stage 1 motivating the actual troops, stage 2 finding transport off of this rock or the world. Stage 3 is the blast off. So it's a huge story. It's literally a script of the captain and the generals talking about this. And let's just talk about the giveaways real quick. So right here you can see that there will be a special draw. So the first 420 wallets to mint a LoopTroop NFT will be entered into a special draw for a chance to win 1 Ethereum or 1 of 5 LoopTroop NFTs. So you gotta be a sergeant or above for this, but it's really first. It's really good, and it's good to be first. Now, in the second stage, there will be a general draw. So it will be held only for LoopTroop Lunatic owners for a chance to win 1 of 5 special Lunatics. And also the special draw, which will be held for LoopTroop Lunatic owners for a chance to win 1 of 5 prizes of 1 Ethereum. So your LoopTroop Lunatics intelligence attribute will be valuable in this course. And in the stage 3, or the blast off, so that's the target of 4,200 Lunatics themselves, there will be a general draw for LoopTroop Lunatic owners for a chance to win 1 of 5 prizes of 2 Ethereum per piece, so 10 Ethereum being given away. Right here we can see a target of 6,900 LoopTroop Lunatics, where we can see the general draw will be held only for LoopTroop Lunatic owners for a chance to win 1 of 10 special NFTs, and the special draw will be held only for the owners for a chance to win 1 of 10 prizes of 2 Ethereum. So the troops strength attribute will be valuable, and this is going to be huge because they are giving away 20 Ethereum, guys. Definitely, if you did enjoy this video, if you enjoy the project, give these guys a follow on their Twitter. Check out the whole link tree. Check out all of their social media. This is something that you should definitely be invested into for the future, because it is something that will provide a lot of different rewards if you get lucky. So these guys are actually giving you a lot of opportunities to get lucky, because they are giving away a lot of money. But yeah, so stage 5, the random draw, only LoopTroop Lunatic owners will win 1 prize of 20 Ethereum. So one guy will get absolutely rich, life-changing money. And the epilogue says that as the troops gathered together and started their never-ending job of exploration and resettlement, an elite squadron of fiat freaks were also heading towards the moon, and they were most displeased. Episode 2, the attack of the fiat freaks, will be coming soon as well in the future. You have a few frequently asked questions right here, and that's pretty much it. You can meet the team and everything going on right here in the socials. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little LoopTroop Lunatics review. I do recommend you give these guys a follow on their Twitter page. Check out the Insta as well for some cool art and actually how they look like. So definitely really cool project right here. You have all of the links and everything. And join the Discord as well. Check out the GameStop aggregator. So this is going to be really cool for the future, and the GameStop actual marketplace. But if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you actually head on over to the Crypto Farm channel right here. And comment down below with your favorite parts about this project, and I will, reply to you and give you some valuable insight. So lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So see you guys next time.